Yo guys, what's going on? So today, I'm doing my first video in my new place here. So yeah, new set. It's a lot cleaner, a lot better, more room than what I got in my room. So yeah, installs are gonna be better. Forewarned, I do have a little tiny cat. Be running around, it's crazy. She may be running in and out. That's fine. Yeah. So, also a quick plug. If you guys want awesome shirts or decals, awesome, good quality decals, top label, go check them out. Link in the description. I do have 10% off code for you guys. Also at all Subaru all day. Same thing, 10% off there. You can get your nice swag so you guys can look good. Alright, so we got a box here. Probably by the shape, you guys may or may not know what this is. If not, we're gonna find out. I may put it in the title as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and find out what's in here. I'm gonna read the box. Oh, here we go. This is what I got, a piece of bubble wrap. Alright, so I got this off of Vivid Racing. It is Chargespeed bottom line carbon fiber front lip for the 2004-2005 WRX and STI. So this is JDM as, yeah. We're gonna open it. I didn't need a knife, but I definitely do. Yes, this is JDM as heck. That's what we're gonna go with. One without the little canard piece on the end. The reason why I went with that is because I do have a front splitter going on this as well. So it's gonna have those little fins on the end as well. So I didn't want to kind of contradict each other and whatnot. But so as looking at this right now, there we go. So there you go, Chargespeed. That's the number, JDM, Japanese. It's all there. Full, was it fiberglass in the back? And oh god, okay. Here's that carbon fiber weave, all drilled holes. They should be pre-drilled already, and I should have no problems installing this, so it should fit nice and flush. So again, on the end it's just nice and flat. Gonna have that little fin on the splitter as well to kind of make it a little bit more aggressive, but look at that shine. Hey, what's going on? So yeah, there's the lip. Next thing is, let's go install this thing. Hey. Alright guys, so we out here in the OG garage, i.e. my parents' garage, because my place don't have one. Sad face. So yeah, got my carbon fiber lip here, and there's the bare front bumper we got on the STI. It's definitely gonna be a whole different look to it. So before I actually install this, I'm gonna take a nice measurement to see how much lower this front lip is gonna make. So right now we're at 7 inches to the bottom of this little spat there with the STI. So I guess I'm just gonna pop you guys around, and yeah, pretty easy install. Basically take the bumper off. There's screws over there in the fender well up in here, but I got my quick latches there because mine broke, and pop clips along the front bumper here, and then underneath you may or may not have some. Mine doesn't, so that is really easy for me. Go. Ooh, she's a little hot. Don't worry, it's dirty. I drive it every day, and then I work in the industrial area, so obviously it's gonna be really dusty in there. Unfortunately, if I clean it, it's probably gonna be dirty within 2 to 3 days. So that sucks. Alright, So on my bumper application here, I do have this bolt down here that I had to remove. This one on this little, spat there. There's one here, one there. Same on the other side, a bolt there and a bolt there. So this front lip didn't come with any hardware, so I had to go buy some. You're gonna have to use a bolt here and a bolt on the other side as well. There should also be pop clips here, so you shouldn't technically need a bolt, but obviously mine is broken and it's not there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all that. Alright, so it's definitely a good thing I bought new hardware, because look at this. It's all rusted. As you can tell, it took me forever to get all that off. It took me about 10 minutes. And it shouldn't take you that long to take off maybe 6 bolts. So, new hardware. Install's gonna be a lot easier from here on out. And yeah, we're just gonna roll the lip on, put in the new hardware, and yeah, we'll see how it looks and how low this will actually make the car. So the holes on here, so these ones on the sides, I measured as a 5/16 hole, and then the 2 in the middle, right there, are gonna be 3/8. So if you guys are having this lip or doing another lip, I'm pretty sure it'll be the same thing. So those are the bolts I used, and they fit perfectly. So let's get to it. There we go. Just all bolted down. Fitment, I gotta say, is pretty spot on. So from the last eBay lip I had that I got taken off, fitment was because I had to take it off and re-put it on when I repainted my bumper. But this fitment is perfect right here. I noticed on the eBay one, it didn't really fit that well with those spats. So this one actually sucks it inside and it's perfect. So, let's go ahead and throw it back on the car. Alright, moment of truth. Woo! Damn. She looks so good. I guess you can tell it's locked in there perfectly. As you can notice the last time when I took off my bumper, these were really loose. But now that is solid. Look at that weave right on there. Whew, can't get it up. Alright, so I'm just gonna see how much it actually lowered the car. Okay, so we're at 5.5 inches. Look at that. So, slip lowered my car by 1.5 inches. Yeah. It's not quite the lowest spot. My downpipe is still lower. I say that's about 5, maybe 4.5 inches down there. But once I actually put my coilovers on, sit really nice. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so there you go, guys. Yeah, just a quick little install video on my carbon fiber front lip here. It is from Chargespeed, bottom line category. Basically, yeah, again, link in the description. I do also want the side skirts, but yeah, carbon fiber is expensive and I need it ready for the show. So next install, I do have the Aeroflow Dynamics. Yeah, yeah, side skirts, canards, and front splitter. So I will be taking this bumper off again, and it's gonna make it look sick. Got some carbon fiber splitter rods as well, and rear diffuser from Strafe Design. So yeah, be sure to look forward to that. And yeah, we'll catch you in that install video. See you guys later.